In today's video, I'm going to take a look inside our A Story of Creamy Complexion. So inside, again, another keepsake box, slide it off, and you get two Cream Luxe delicious compacts inside. So the first one is a brand new shade. This is called Golden Glow and it's from our Cream Luxe highlight range. So I'm going to tap this onto the tips of my cheekbones. So with creamy products, we like to use the heat of our hands. You can use a brush if you want, but sometimes it's just as easy to use your finger in a patting motion to add some glow. And I'm literally going to pop this everywhere for that gorgeous creamy complexion. So it's called Golden Glow because the undertone is that subtle gold, but it's not really yellow. So if you're fairer or deeper skin, it's not going to come up ashy or too dark. It gives the most beautiful sheen. So you can see the difference. So I popped it here, nose, cupid's bow, tear duct, and underneath my brow bone also. And the next Cream Luxe in the duo set is of course our best-selling Pink Supreme. This is my favourite one we have ever done. I am obsessed with it. So I'm going to tap this into the tip of my cheekbone. So it gives a gorgeous pinky radiance to skin that can be really natural, or you can build it up to get a bit of colour. And as always, you can double up and pop it onto the lips, which is honestly so handy when you're out and about. Or if you want to have a nice synchronization between your blush colour and your lip. Just a little bit across the nose if you want that kind of sun-kissed effect, and that will transfer nicely across the face. So you can see the difference that bit of colour just gives already to the complexion. It's amazing. So you get two of these, one brand new shade exclusive to this gift set in our A Story of Creamy Complexion. So there we have it, the difference of the before and after featuring our two Cream Luxe compacts inside. If you do pick it up, I hope you love it. I hope you rock your creamy complexions all season. And of course, if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thank you for watching.